kitchen. For today's project, I'll be showing you how I'm going to be making a gluten-free coconut bread. Now I've already having my dish. I have 2 cups of almond flour, and I have a 1/4 cup of oatmeal, the quick oat. And to this I'll be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I have a cup of shredded coconut, I'm going to mix this all together. This is the dry ingredients I have here in this bowl. Now I'm gonna get the wet ingredients ready. In this bowl I have a half a cup of water and a 1/4 cup of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and I'm going to be adding 2 eggs. I'm going to mix this all together. Now that I've mixed these together, I'm going to pour this over the dry ingredients. I'm going to mix it all together. I'm going to have the full list of the ingredients in the description box, full recipe. I think this is nicely mixed. So what I'm gonna do now, I have my greased pan. So I'm gonna pour the mixture into the greased pan. You just make sure it's nice and flattened. And because this is going to be a bit dense with the coconut, the shredded coconut, I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. or until you stick a knife and it comes out clean, then it's properly baked. So I'm gonna put it in my oven and I'll come back and show you what the finished product looks like.